Hey guys, so just wanted to update you. Got the ones we believe that are going to survive inside. Strawberries, I believe, right here. Some broccoli, I believe. Tomatoes, or I don't know. There's another. Let's see. I think this is the. Yeah, this is the strawberries right here. This one I'm not sure on right now, to be honest. Probably a pepper of some sort. Yeah, there's a lot of peppers in here, so. And I've gotten let's see, 3 bowls out of my plants so far. Big bowls, too. Not like huge bowls, but I would say definitely you could fill a 5-gallon bucket at least. One full time with food. And then, obviously, we get carrots here. I think some more broccoli over here because I don't know what exactly it's doing. I've been debating with myself if this is going to bloom into a broccoli or into some sort of flower, so I might just keep it growing and seeing what happens. I don't know. This is, I think, the first time I've ever grown broccoli, so it's interesting. Well, figure I'll give you guys updates on what's going on all these lovely strawberries and plants that I'm growing right now. I know I should have probably taken a video of all the other fruits and veggies on them, but I think hopefully there's one down here I found earlier. Let's go back over here. I'm not really sure what it is, but maybe. That is weird. I don't know what that weird thing is right here. Hopefully I have let's get some of these out. This is most likely a pfeffer. Potentially.
Viewfinder. Focus. Stop recording video.